Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on NFC and the supporting services. Open Settings, go to Connection and Sharing, and switch NFC on now. Make sure location is enabled because some payment or transit apps require it. This helps the phone scan tags reliably. Once done, close Settings and check the Quick Settings shade to confirm the NFC icon appears. If the option is missing, restart the phone to refresh system services. This often restores the NFC toggle without further steps. Next, pick the app you intend to use, payment, transit, or an NFC tag writer. Launch it and follow its initial setup prompts. You may need to add a card or grant permissions. Hold the Poco C75 so the top back area faces the tag or terminal. That's where the NFC antenna sits. You'll feel a subtle vibration or see an on-screen confirmation when the device detects the tag. Then tap any confirm or write button in the app to complete the exchange. To finish, verify the app shows a successful transaction, read, or write message. If the phone doesn't detect a tag, first toggle NFC off and on, then retry. Many detections succeed after one reconnection. If that fails, clear the app cache, reboot the phone, or test with another known good tag or terminal to isolate the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: remove any thick case or metal plate, because interference is a frequent cause of NFC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.